The talk on the street. The good news is that oil prices are drifting lower, indicating that the worst-case scenario on the Iran war front may have been averted. As of writing, WTI crude have drifted lower towards $95 a barrel after briefly surging past $105 earlier. Concerns over a prolonged closure of the Strait of Hormuz have eased after a Pakistani oil tanker and two LPG vessels successfully crossed the strategic choke point over the weekend. India is also negotiating the passage of 6 additional vessels, while the United States has allowed Iranian tankers to transit, helping stabilize global oil supply. Our call of the day: optimism is likely to be in the air for Indian equities amid signs of stabilization after U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said Iranian tankers are being allowed to transit the Strait of Hormuz. Long story short, buy something, as the bulls are likely to be roaming freely at Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Monday's bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 9366 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 12593 crores. Sentiments are likely to stay bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals indicate massive rebound play from oversold technical conditions. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 and 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped towards 21.60 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, was seen hovering near 92.37 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.75. Nifty outlook. Nifty 50 is likely to join the conga line of rising global equities. From an interweek perspective, the current weakness appears to be panning out as a solid buying opportunity. Happy days are here again. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23409. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 23,321 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,300 and 23900. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 75503. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 75,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,300 to 77,300. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54413. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 56,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,100 and 56500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Market mood. In yesterday's trade, Nifty bulls finally rediscovered their winning ways, with solid gains powered by India's Fantastic Four, HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, and State Bank of India. The good news is that it's likely to be up again for benchmark Nifty. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Ola Electric, plus 5.37%, 24 rupees and 31 paise. Ola Electric jumped over 5% after it announced a plan to raise up to 2,000 crore rupees by selling a stake in its battery arm, Ola Cell Technologies, October. 2. Vedant Ltd, minus 0.57%, 686 rupees. Vedant has said that its committee of directors has approved raising up to 2,575 crore rupees through issuance of debentures. 3. Godrej Properties, minus 1.10%, 1,560 rupees. Godrej Properties has acquired a 44-acre land parcel in Coimbatore to develop a premium plotted residential project with an estimated developable potential of about 1.1 million SQ food and revenue potential of around 450 crore rupees. 4. Bandhan Bank, minus 7.38%, 162 rupees and 50 paise. Bandhan Bank plunged after media reports said its promoter, Bandhan Financial Services, is exploring options such as a stake sale or an initial public offering, IPO, to facilitate investor exits. Promoter group entities currently hold a 39.74% stake in Bandhan Bank. The bank clarified that it is not aware of any such development and has not received any communication in this regard. 5. IDBI Bank, minus 16.58%, 77 rupees. IDBI Bank tumbled after media reports suggested that the government may have scrapped plans to sell its stake in the lender, as financial bids from potential buyers reportedly came in below the reserve price set by the interministerial group on disinvestment. The Government and Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, had planned to jointly sell a 60.72% stake in the bank, including 30.48% from the centre and 30.24% from LIC. Currently, the centre holds 45.48% in IDBI Bank, while LIC owns 49.24%. The bank clarified that it has not received any communication from the government regarding cancellation of the process. 6. Tejas Networks, plus 5.28%, 447 rupees. Tejas Networks rose 5.44% after the company announced that it had received a purchase order to supply its 4G radio access network (RAN) solutions for a mobile network expansion project in South Asia. The company said its 4G multiband radio products will be deployed at multiple locations across the operator's network as part of the project. The order marks a step toward expanding Tejas Networks' international wireless customer base. 7. Bajaj Projects, plus 20%, 168 rupees. Bajaj Projects surged after the company said it has secured an order worth over 700 crore rupees from Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company, MSETCL, for setting up a 400 by 220 kV AIS substation at Saswad in Pune district along with associated transmission lines. 8. Adani Power, 5.11%, 154 rupees. Adani Power rose after the company said that it has received a letter of award from Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company for the long-term supply of 1,600 megawatts of thermal power under a power supply agreement, PSA. 9. CMEC, plus 3.91%, 1,375 rupees. CMEC rose after the company said a consortium comprising CMEC and Supreme Hydro Engineering has received a notification of award from Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, for operation and maintenance services of the vessel Samudra Sevak. 10. ISMO, plus 4.07%, 730 rupees. ISMO gained after ISMO Microsystems announced the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding with CraftsA and Alcyon Photonics SL to jointly design, manufacture and commercialize photonic integrated circuit (PIC) solutions.